done by household. Saving is generally done by household. Always remember, households. Saving is generally done by households, and investment is generally done by firms. Investment is generally done by firms, and condition is here: saving greater than investment. Saving is greater than investment. So when plant saving means S is more than plant investment means I. After point E, after point E, it means that consumers, you can write here households also. It means that households are not consuming as much as the firm expected them to. Means, see here, saving is greater than investment. Saving is greater than investment. It means that, see here, saving is greater than investment. What do you mean by this? It means that households are not consuming as much as, but households are saving. Means households are saving, or you can say households are doing saving. Means इसका मतलब क्या है कि सेविंग ग्रेटर है किससे? इन्वेस्टमेंट। मीन्स हाउसहोल्ड सेव ज्यादा कर रहे हैं और कंज्यूम कम कर रहे हैं। इट यू नो दैट y इज इक्वल टू सी प्लस एस। y इज इक्वल टू सी प्लस एस। अगर हम लोग सेविंग इंक्रीज करेंगे तो कंजम्पशन क्या करेगा? डिक्रीज करेगा, बिकॉज y इज द समेशन ऑफ कंजम्पशन प्लस सेविंग। अगर हाउसहोल्ड सेविंग ज्यादा करेंगे, इट मींस वो कंजम्पशन एक्सपेंडिचर कम करेंगे। क्लियर है? वही तो लिखा है, households are not consuming as much as the firm expected them to। मींस फर्म्स उनसे जितना एक्सपेक्ट कर रही है, फर्म्स उनसे जितना क्या कर रही है? एक्सपेक्ट कर रही है, वो उतना कंज्यूम नहीं कर रहे। उतना कंज्यूम नहीं कर रहे तो फिर क्या कर रहे हैं? वो सेविंग ज्यादा कर रहे हैं। क्या कर रहे हैं? सेविंग। इट मींस फर्म्स जितना आउटपुट प्रोड्यूस कर रही है, हाउसहोल्ड उतना आउटपुट कंज्यूम नहीं कर रहे, तो फर्म्स यहां पर क्या करेगी? आउटपुट कम प्रोड्यूस करेगी। क्यों? क्योंकि हाउसहोल्ड उतना आउटपुट परचेज नहीं करेंगे, तो उनका जो आउटपुट है वो कैसा रह जाएगा? अनसोल्ड रह जाएगा। कैसा रह जाएगा? अनसोल्ड। आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड। सो यू विल राइट आफ्टर दिस, सी after this, as a result producer will produce less output. Producer will produce less output because households are not consuming as much as. See, as a result, producer will produce less output. This leads to, or you can say which leads to, you can write also here, which leads to decrease in level of employment, decrease in level of employment and which also leads to decrease in income level in an economy. So you can say process of decrease. So process of decrease in level of income, will continue till S is equal to I. Means till S is equal to I. I hope all of you have understood what do you mean by this condition. It means that, first of all, please try to understand this thing. saving is generally done by household. Saving is generally done by household and investment is generally done by firm. Means saving relates to household and investment relates to firm. So after this, when plant saving is more than plant investment after point E, it means that households are not consuming as much as, because here households are doing more saving. Households are doing more saving means यहाँ पर जो हाउस होल्ड है वो क्या कर रहे हैं, ज्यादा से ज्यादा सेविंग कर रहे हैं और कंज्यूम कम कर रहे हैं। तो फर्म आउटपुट कम प्रोड्यूस करेगी, क्यों? क्योंकि उसे पता है कि हाउस होल्ड तो सेव ज्यादा कर रहे हैं और कंजम्पशन कम कर रहे हैं, तो उसका आउटपुट कैसा रह जाएगा, अनसोल्ड। इट मींस फर्म्स एक्सपेक्टेड देम टू, एज ए रिजल्ट प्रोड्यूसर विल प्रोड्यूस लेस आउटपुट which leads to decrease in level of employment, which also leads to decrease in income level in an economy. So process of decrease in level of income will continue till S is equal to I. So I hope all of you had understood explanation of this condition. Now second condition is what? See here, condition second means case second, right here, case second saving is less than investment means I, means S. Saving is less than investment. What do you mean by this? Saving is less than investment. Always remember, saving relates to household, investment relates to firm. See, now this condition shows that households are consuming less. Households are consuming less means वो consume means यहाँ पर वो क्या कर रहे हैं? See, households are saving less. Households are saving less means यहाँ पर क्या है कि वो सेविंग कम कर रहे हैं और कंजम्पशन ज्यादा कर रहे हैं। सेविंग कम कर रहे हैं तभी तो उनकी सेविंग किससे कम हो गई? इन्वेस्टमेंट से। और मींस कंजम्पशन ज्यादा कर रहे हैं, तो फर्म को पता लगा, क्या लगा कि वो सेविंग कम कर रहे हैं और कंजम्पशन ज्यादा कर रहे हैं, मींस डिमांड ज्यादा कर रहे हैं, तो फर्म आउटपुट ज्यादा प्रोड्यूस करेगी। क्यों? क्योंकि मार्केट में हाउस होल्ड की तरफ से डिमांड ज्यादा हो रही है, तो वो आउटपुट प्रोड्यूस करेगी। क्यों आउटपुट प्रोड्यूस करेगी? क्योंकि उसने हाउस होल्ड को देखा कि वो क्या कर रहे हैं, सेविंग कम कर रहे हैं और एक्सपेंडिचर ज्यादा, मींस कंजम्पशन ज्यादा कर रहे हैं, मींस डिमांड ज्यादा कर रहे हैं, तो फर्म आउटपुट क्या करेगी? इंक्रीज करेगी। ठीक है, आप इसको इस सेंस में समझो। सी, व्हेन प्लांट सेविंग, नाउ आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग दिस कंडीशन, व्हेन प्लांट सेविंग इज लेस देन प्लांट इन्वेस्टमेंट before point E, it means that households are consuming as much as, we can say households are consuming more. Households are consuming more. It means that households are consuming more and saving less. And see, household, again I am explaining, households are consuming more and saving less as much as the firms expected them to, as much as the firms expected them to. As a result, producer will produce more output because households, according to this condition, households are consuming more. Households are consuming more. Producer will produce more output, which leads to an increase in level of employment, which also leads to an increase in income level in an economy. So process of increase in level of income will continue till S is equal to I. I hope all of you have understood second condition also. See, please try to understand. Suppose a saving greater than investment मींस अगर सेविंग ग्रेटर है इन्वेस्टमेंट से, इसका मतलब क्या है कि हाउस होल्ड कंजम्पशन कम कर रहे हैं और सेविंग ज्यादा कर रहे हैं। कंजम्पशन कम करेंगे तो इट मींस फर्म आउटपुट अपना डिक्रीज कर देगी, वो ये कंडीशन होगी फर्स्ट। और अगर सेविंग लेस देन इन्वेस्टमेंट है, इसका मतलब क्या है कि सेविंग कम है और हाउस होल्ड कंजम्पशन ज्यादा कर रहे हैं, डिमांड ज्यादा कर रहे हैं, तो वो आउटपुट ज्यादा प्रोड्यूस करेगी फर्म। ठीक है, सी सेकंड कंडीशन, अगेन आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग, when planned saving is less than planned investment before point E, it means that households are consuming more. According to this, households are consuming more and saving less as much as the firms expected them to. As a result, producer will produce more output because households are consuming more, so producer will produce more output, which leads to increase in level of employment, which also leads to increase in income level in an economy. So process of increase in level of income will continue till S is equal to I. I hope second approach, I hope all of you have understood second approach to determine equilibrium level of income. I hope all of you have understood equilibrium level means a second approach to determine equilibrium level of income. Suppose question is there, explain the determination of equilibrium level of income. Explain the determination of equilibrium level of income in an economy by using S means S and I approach, means saving and investment approach. Then first of all you will write this definition. First of all you will write this definition. After this you will show schedule. You will show schedule of this table, means after this you will make a schedule of this approach. After this you will show this type of diagram, and after this diagram you will write case first, and you will explain also this, and you will write case 2 and with explanation. You will write case 2 with explanation, and your explanation will be completed. I hope all of you have understood means first approach as well as second approach. First approach is aggregate demand and aggregate supply approach. Next approach is saving and investment approach. So please pause the video and note down this. Have a good day and thank you very much.